Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a project in Framer. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, you want to open up your Framer dashboard. Then you want to go to the left-hand side where it says Projects, and then you want to go where it says All. Make sure you're on the All page. Find the project that you want to duplicate. So let's say we want to duplicate this project right here. What we can do is right-click it and then click on where it says Duplicate. Now you can see it's going to open up the duplicated project. If we go ahead and go back to our dashboard, we can see that we now have a duplicated version of that project we just duplicated. So that's basically how you can duplicate a project in Framer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.